welcome back. We got the cryptocurrency market and you're looking at the Ethereum. I mean, the market is still on the downside. It's sliding very slightly, very modestly. Negative sentiment is still in large, dominating the market. And the Ethereum is no different, but the technical picture here is nothing short of incredible. Very strong, bullish technical picture you're looking at. And I want to show you what I'm talking about first. Let me go back to the beginning of the correction phase. After the big drop we had here, that was the first segment. Price, as far as I'm concerned at least, entered what I believe it is a trading range. It went for a first leg, right from that drop. It went up for the first leg. Then it came all the way down, and you can see this huge reaction on that 653 level. Only that points out that that's probably the case with the Ethereum. Just the reaction here is something that gives me a lot of confidence. So I think that was the second leg, and from that point on, right, as price started to reverse, it basically went into the third leg. It started to generate the third leg that should end up, in the upper part of the setup, starting with a level of 1148 here. You can see that C-matrix level. Now it went pretty well at the beginning, but then went, as you can see, everything changed as price started to go south again, and it was a prolonged type of downside move. But guess what? This whole downside movement, not only that it touched base again, right, with that same C-matrix level, 653, which is as it is, it's impressive enough, but it actually went exactly to the 76.4, which is the last line of correction level. With relation to the previous opposite move, and let me show you that. That's really interesting to see. So I'm gonna take the same setup that I'm using here. Bear in mind that this level right there, take a look. This level right there is the 76.4. It's one of the levels of the C-matrix. So you can see the 76.4, last level of correction, right? And you can see the reaction we had here on the bottom. This is really cool. This is really cool stuff. I believe that segment, well, I just proved it, right, is only a correction to the first progressive segment, which means that we are indeed still in the process of basically constructing the third leg. I think the third leg will look something like this and end up on the upper part of the setup, and I'm talking about the original setup. Let me take it back. So the level is 1148. I've mentioned that before, and also I should mention the previous, not major high, just the previous high, which is 1260, around the levels of 1260, and it's well dipped within the upper part of the setup. So everything boils down to the 653, right? That's the very last level of defense. Let me say this. If price is going to break that level, establish itself below the 653 here, I will definitely sell all of my holdings on the Ethereum, because at that point, not only that we will have to reanalyze the situation, but it's not going to be very positive. Price could actually, well, dive a lot lower than where it is right now. All right, so there you go, 653, make or break situation on the Ethereum. I believe we're gonna have here an upside reversal, so should be fascinating to follow up on this one. That's about that for this, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.